Hi everybody, this will be a short video in which I will demonstrate the Tesla Model 3 with a Maxi-Cosi Pebble 360 and the FamilyFix 360 base. And we chose for this combination because it's very easy to use. You can easily attach the FamilyFix 360 base with ISOFIX and you will find the attachment points on the back seat of the Tesla Model 3. Then you push the base firmly into the backrest until it cannot go further. Then you will have to adjust the support on the floor until you will see a green indicator. And as you can see, this combination is very easy to use. But I also have a few tips that you should know before you buy this. Tip number 1. You can use the Pebble 360 with the FamilyFix base on the left and on the right in the back. But if you're about my height, which is 183 centimeters, and you will also want to relax a bit in the driver's seat, then the Pebble 360 won't fit behind you in the back seat. My wife also has to move her seat forward a little bit more than usual. So in short, the FamilyFix 360 base is a nice solution, but if you are both a bit taller, then it might just not fit. And tip number 2. Although you can fold the FamilyFix base, it unfortunately does not fit in the trunk. And of course you can store the base and the Pebble 360 in the trunk, but you probably also want to store your stroller there. So it's better to just leave the seat in the back seat of the car. Tip number 3. The FamilyFix base can rotate 360 degrees, but the Pebble 360 does not, although the name gives you that idea. The Pebble 360 only turns 180 degrees in the FamilyFix 360 base. Further rotation is really not possible because this is blocked. Fortunately, it is also much safer for your baby to position him or her backwards in the car. If your baby is getting bigger, then you can buy a bigger seat that can swivel forward as well. And tip number 4, practice a bit with the FamilyFix base and the ISOFIX connection in particular. It seems easy, but in the beginning it's deceptively difficult. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos about EVs, tech and science. For now, have a great day and I'll see you again.